Hi everyone, I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your AVAYA model 9608G. Okay, in order to factory reset this, you do need to get into the programming. And to get into programming, you're going to hit star, then spell out craft, which is 27238. Then hit pound. And now you're inside the menu. They do have a couple of options here. The one that we need, so right over here, reset values, restart phone. These don't do anything. So what we need is head over to clear, which is the fourth option. Press start. And it says here, press clear again to confirm. Keep in mind, this will erase everything. You will have to reprogram your phone after you do this. I'm going to hit clear. Now everything is going to be cleared. As you can see, it's restarting now. Now it's rebooting. Okay, it's powering back up. Okay, now it's rebooting. And that's all to it. Now this system is factory reset. So now you'll be able to either resell it or reprogram it. Okay, hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.